Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Now we appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. Please like, smash and share. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson Workforce WF2820DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this gear. This printer is using ink cartridges 603 or 603 extra large. You can connect this printer to Wi-Fi network and USB cable or Wi-Fi direct. This printer, in terms of the printing speed, is 10.0 print per minute for black and 5.0 print for colored. You can print two-sided with this printer, which is 6.0 for black and 4.0 for colored. Scan resolution is 1200 by 2400 dpi. Print resolution 5760 by 1440 dpi. This printer is compatible with Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or later, Windows XP, XP3, Windows XP Professional, Windows Server, Mac iOS. Connection, like I said, wireless, Wi-Fi direct and USB cable. This printer, you can print, copy and scan and fax. You can print auto two-sided print with rear paper input, mobile printing with LCD scan. Basically, this printer, what we're going to do is to show you how to install the ink. It's using ink cartridges 603. To give you an overview of this printer, from the back here, this is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging, and just by the side here you have the USB cable spot. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Tech Store, free delivery here in UK. So the USB cable goes here, Ethernet cable goes here. Okay. Now, if you have any paper jam, I do get questions about paper jam. This is where to check. Open up this section and check for any paper jam and debris. So this section underneath here, you check for any paper jam and debris and gently remove it. Once you're done, close it. So put this back. There are springs here. Okay, just need to press it together and put it back. Okay, it's in. Now lift this section. This is the rear paper tray. Like I said, this printer uses rear paper tray. So you load particular paper. You want to use A4 paper, 4x6, various size photo paper, various size of paper you want to use, and stick it in here and adjust it. Okay, so adjust it to this end, it will be a photo paper. So extremely end is A4 paper. Okay, now this is the LCD screen. So with this LCD screen, you select the function, what you want to do, and this is the scanner, flat bed scanner. You stick your document you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner and select the function. Okay, and what we want to do is also, this is the where the document will rest. Okay, so just make sure you bring it out, okay, so that your document will rest. Once you print it out, it will stay on top here. Okay, now I'm going to open up this printer. Once you open it up, the ink cartridges holder is here to the side. Okay, this is where the ink goes. Now what we need to do is we need to start, okay, selecting the function, things we need to do to set up this printer, then we'll go from there. Okay, to set up this printer, we need to first of all select your language. Okay, so now this printer picks up English language. I'm United Kingdom. So depending on the country you reside, this is applicable to every other country. You just need to select your language. If you want to see your language, you can scroll down. Okay, use the down arrow to select your language. You can select France, Dutch. So just use the down arrow. Okay, Indonesia, Japanese, okay, Latvia. So you can just use the Norsk, Polsk. So you can use various, this Portugal. okay, Romania. So you can use the down arrow to select even Spanish, okay, select your language, okay. So I'm going to go back up to select English. Okay, here we go, English. Once you select English, once you select a language, select OK. Okay, now select then country, region, United Kingdom. Okay, select OK. Okay, daylight saving time, you can select daylight saving time off or on. Okay, so if you want daylight and saving time on, you select. If you want it off, you select off. Okay, and now date, select the date. Okay, today, so you can select the date format you want, start from day, month and year. Okay, so start from day 20. Okay, so select the date format, select OK for the date format, then you select the date. Okay, so you can use arrow. Okay, if you make any mistake, then use the back arrow to go back. So we're in 2022. Okay, and select OK. Now time, select 24 hours time, then you put the time. Okay, 11:30 a.m. okay, and select OK. Okay, now it's preparing. Okay, you can see it's preparing, so we just need to wait. Okay, so now we just wait for the preparation. Okay, now you can see install cartridges that came with the printer and start initialization. Okay, so what we need to do now is lift up the printer. You can see the cartridges holder is right here. Okay, so you move away from the corner to just before the center and waiting for us to install the ink. So this is what we are going to do now. We're going to install the ink. Okay, so I have the cartridges here that came with this printer. So to install the cartridges, this is pretty much color explanatory. The black first, yellow, magenta and cyan. Okay, so you can see there are stickers on top of, okay, this ink cartridges holder. There are stickers on top of it. So you just need to follow that instruction. Okay, you don't, but just to do it so that it will not confuse you. So what I'm doing now is to put, first of all, we're going to put the black color. Okay, so this is the black ink cartridges. What if you are bringing this out, make sure you don't touch this chip. Okay, and also the next thing you need to do is you need to pull this. Okay, make sure you pull it off. This is air vent, so that the air will flow out from here. If you leave it on the printer, the ink will not work. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to go into the black color. Okay, push it down. Okay, you can see the black is in. The next on the list is yellow. Okay, open it up. Open up the yellow, bring out the ink, pull off the air vent. Okay, now go in to the yellow, push it down and it's in. The next is magenta. Okay, open it up, bring it out. Okay, pull off air vent. Now go in, push it down. Okay, now the last but not the least is cyan. This light blue. Okay, cyan, bring it out. Okay, pull off air vent, pull. Okay, we'll go in push it down. Here we go. Okay, so this is how to install the ink, and once you're done, the next to do is close the printer, okay, and press start. Okay, so the next is to do is press start. Now it's checking the ink cartridges is what it's doing. So it's now checking the ink. Here we go. Now what it's doing now is initialization is taking place. You can see initialization is going to take about 6 minutes. There are a line, okay, on the screen. So this line needs to go to the end. So this initialization is going to take about 6 minutes. This is how to install the ink. Here we go. It's progressing slow and steady, so it's going to take about 6 minutes. Initialization is taking place. So I just want you to see the whole process. I also want to mention that you can also replace one individual ink. Okay, so you can save money by only replacing one color used. Okay, so which is a great feature. Instead of replacing all the ink, so you can select one particular one that is run out. Okay, so you can replace one. I also want to mention about Ready Print Flex. Okay, Ready Print Flex, basically you enjoy the freedom to print with hassle-free ink and print plan. You never run out of ink again, so you can print 10 pages of document a month. Okay, this is in United Kingdom. The price may vary in different country. Okay, and initialization is complete. Okay, so let me tell you that you can print 10 pages document a month from 0.99p, or 30 pages per month for £1.99, or 50 pages per month £2.99, or 100 pages per month for £4.49, or 300 pages document per month for £9.99, or 500 pages document a month for £16.49. But you need to sign up. Okay, so this is pay as you go. Add ready print to your current printer and you will be notified before your ink run out. No contract. This is just pay as you go. Okay, so you can sign up now at ready print. Can do this from Epson website. So now the ink cartridges holder, the ink initialization is complete. So the next you need to do is click done. Okay, so now check out my next video. We need to load the paper tray and adjust the print head. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing, and we appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson Workforce 2820DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this printer. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. You can also connect this printer with Wi-Fi direct without internet. Basically, this printer is using ink cartridges 603 or 603 extra large. Check out my video. You see how we install the ink. Okay, this printer is also you able to register with Ready Print. Ready Print is ink subscription, and it starts from 0.99p or £1.99 or £129. Okay, £129 a month. It's an ink subscription service. You choose how many pages of document you want to print out in a month, okay, with a fee. It's a subscription. Basically, you will never run out of ink, and once you're about to run out of ink, ink will be delivered to your home address. So you can sign up to Ready Print Flex and enjoy the freedom to print without hassle, free ink and printer plan. So you never run out of ink again. So you can decide to print 10 pages per month for 0.99p per month. This is pound sterling, or 30 pages per month for £1.99 per month, or 50 pages per month document per month for £2.99, or 100 pages per month for 4.49p, or 300 pages per month for £9.99 per month, okay, or 500 pages per month for £16.49p. So this is a subscription service. You can do this as a pay as you go. Add Ready Print to your current printer and you can be notified before your ink run out. No contract. Okay, so you can do this. You can do this. Just need to go to Epson website and click sign up. Okay, this is the information I want to share with you. But basically, this printer, in terms of the printing speed, okay, this printer, the printing speed is 10.0 print per minute for black and 5.0, okay, for color. When you are printing two-sided, iOS print speed is 6.0 if you want to print two-sided for black. If you are printing two-sided for color, is 4.0 print per minute. Scan resolution is up to 1200 dpi by 2400 dpi. Print resolution is up to 5760 by 1440 dpi. Like I said earlier, recommended ink is 603 or 603 extra large. Compatibility, you can operate this printer with Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or later. This printer is also will work with Windows XP SP3 or Windows XP Professional, Windows Server, Mac OS. Connection wireless Wi-Fi direct, and high-speed USB cable. This printer, okay, is 6.7 inch, and also diameter is 14.8, okay, and this area is 11.8 inch. This printer is compact, multifunctional printer. What I want us to do is, if you check my video, you see how we install the ink. Okay, now what we want to do is to show you how to load the paper tray and print out alignment head. So I have the paper tray here, okay, so you can load various sizes of paper, but I have A4 paper here, okay, we want to load. Okay, just open up this section. So what we are loading, you just need to move this blue flap to the end if you are using A4 paper. So depending on paper you are using, so this, what I'm doing now is A4 paper is what I want to install, load. Okay, so this A4 paper, you can also add a bit more, but don't overload it. Okay, so what we have here is A4 paper. Also make sure you adjust it so that the printer will recognize it. Okay, so this is how to install, this is how to load the paper. Now the next we need to do is align print head to get the best print quality. So align print head to get the best printing quality. So you can do this now or later, okay, but I will encourage you to do this now so that the printer will function properly. If you want to do it later, then you need to scroll down to select later, but I encourage you to do it now. Okay, so select adjust, click OK. Okay, now perform print head nozzle check to print out quality. Okay, so you can perform later or do it now. Click OK to print. Okay, and it asks you to load A4 size plain paper and select print. Now it's printing. So the one I selected, print. Okay, so this is going to print out the document. Okay, so that we can do perform. Here we go. Here we go. You can see now it's asking us, are there any missing segment? Okay, then you look to see if there's any missing segment. Select OK. Okay, now you can also clean print head. Okay, so you can go back, so you can clean print head. Okay, or select no, then it will ask you alignment complete. Okay, but if you can also, then the next you can do is you can go back, you can start fast setting, connect to wizard or proceed. To print out print head alignment, what you need to do, you need to go to the settings for this printer. Okay, so you go to settings, select on the settings. Now you will see supply status. If you scroll, use side arrow to scroll down, you see maintenance. Select OK for maintenance. Once you select maintenance, you will see nozzle check. Now scroll to the next, you see head cleaning. Scroll again, you see print head alignment. You select OK to print head alignment. So you have two options. You have vertical alignment and horizontal alignment. So what we need to do, we need to print out vertical alignment first. Select OK and make sure you load the paper and select print. So now it's printing out vertical alignment. Okay, so this is the vertical alignment we printed out. Now what we need to do is access look at the printout and choose the box with the least line. On the next screen, select the number. So we need to choose a box with the least line. Okay, so select OK to proceed. So we'll have number 1. Okay, choose the box with the least line. I will select number 1 for it. So use up and down arrow to select the number. Click OK. Then it will move again. It proceed to number 2. Okay, number 2, I'll select number 4. So just need to use up and down arrow to select. Now to number 3. Okay, number 3, I will choose number 6 for it. So scroll up to number 6 and select OK. Proceed to number 4. Okay, number 6, I will select number 1 for it. Select OK. Now number 5, I will proceed to number 4. Okay. Now number 6, I will select number 7 for it. Select OK. Then number 7, once you look on it, then I will select number 1 for number 7. Okay. Okay. Now it's telling us alignment complete. Change reflection. Then if you also want to print, okay, the horizontal one, because we printed vertical, okay, then you need to select. So we need to select print alignment. Okay, we printed vertical, print the horizontal, select OK. Okay, and it will select print. It will print out the horizontal. This is the horizontal. Okay, once you print the horizontal, then you need to check the one that is not lined properly. Okay, select OK. Choose a rectangle that are not separated or overlap. Okay, click OK. So number 1. So you select number 1. Look on it. Okay, so I will select number 5. Okay, you can see alignment complete. Change are reflected from the next printing. Okay, so now, okay, so we can go back. So this is how to, okay, so this is how to print out alignment. Okay, so you need to make sure you do this on your printers so that it will function properly. This is how to load paper tray and also complete alignment head. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing and we appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson Workforce WF2820DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this printer. This printer is with rear paper tray. What we loaded here is A4 paper. This printer can print auto two-sided with this printer, mobile printing, and 3.7 centimeter LCD screen. This printer is using ink cartridges 603 or 603 extra large. And check my video, we see how we unbox this printer. We completed the alignment head, and this is the CD-ROM software disk that came with this printer. You stick this to your PC and download the software. But if you connect this printer using Epson Smart Panel, then you don't need the software. Okay. Now this printer, in terms of the printing speed, 10.0 print per minute for black and 5.0 print for colored. If you are printing two double-sided, 6.0 print for black and 4.0 for colored. Scan resolution is 1200 by 2400 dpi. Print resolution is 5760 by 1440 dpi. Like I said, this printer is using ink 603 or 603 extra large. This printer is compatible with operating system Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or later, Windows XP SP3, Windows XP Professional, Windows Server, Mac OS. Connection wirelessly, can connect it via Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, and high-speed USB cable. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this vignette tech store, but I expect you to connect this printer using Wi-Fi network or wireless network. Basically, what I want to show you is what I want us to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, and also how you can connect this printer with wireless direct. Okay, so what we want to do now is, first of all, we need to use our mobile device. Okay, with our mobile device, we need to go to Play Store. Okay, so this is the mobile device. Okay, now to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, what we need to do is we need to go to the Play Store. Okay, and from the Play Store, you need to type Epson Smart Panel. Okay, download it on your mobile device. If you are using laptop, you can do the same thing. Download it on your gadget. Okay, click it open, and once you click it open, it will start to look. Okay, it starts to search for available product. So what it's doing now is searching for the product. You just need to wait for this, okay, to take place. So it's searching for available product. Okay, now what it does is it picked up, okay, network, search for product with the Wi-Fi. Okay, so this product now, it picked up the Wi-Fi network, but I'm going to go back. Okay, I'm going to ignore it first. So now it will take us to Ready Print. Ready Print, like I said, is about ink subscription, so you can register for you to receive ink when your ink is running out. You choose a printing plan. Okay, you can choose to print specific number of documents you want to print per month with fee. Okay, it's a pay-as-you-go subscription. You can cancel this anytime. Subscribe from 0.99p per month. You choose how many paper you want to print per month. Okay, but this is up to you. I like to use pay-as-you-go. Okay, now what we want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, and to do this, we need to select plus sign. Once you are in Epson Smart Panel, click plus sign. Once you click plus sign, then it will ask you, would you like to check if your product is supported? No, because I know this product can connect it to Wi-Fi network. Now what we need to do is you can set up a new product or connect a product already on the Wi-Fi. So this is a new product we want to set up. Select the up, okay, set up a new product, okay, and it will tell you thank you for choosing your Epson product. Okay, let's get started. Click continue and turn on Bluetooth in your smartphone. Select turn on. So it's turning the Bluetooth on. Okay, make sure the product is turned on. If a USB cable is connected to the product, disconnect it and turn the product off and on again. Click next. Okay, so now it's searching for available product. Here we go. You can see it found the product WF2820 series. This is the product it found. You can see. Now select on it. Okay, so what you need to do, select on it. Are you sure you want to select WF2820 series? Click yes. Okay, you can see all my answers to the side. So here we go. Do you want to set up Wi-Fi on this product? Select yes. Okay, you can see all my answer. Now confirming the product status, connect the product to your Wi-Fi wireless network. Do you want to use the wireless network shown below? Click yes. So it picked up my office Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi network password is required. Click next. Okay, now the next is the password is usually shown on the back or side of the router or the router documentation. So I have the password I wrote this thing down. Okay, so the password is what I have here. Okay, so sometimes people, you get the password from the back of your router. The same password you are using for your Wi-Fi, for your mobile device is the same password. Okay, so click next. Now it's telling us it may be called an encryption key or security key. Click next. Okay, do you confirm the password? Select yes. Okay, now some characters are similar in shape, or make sure you enter the correct one. You must use correct character or you will not be able to connect to Wi-Fi network. Example, if it's a number 6, make sure, or lowercase, make sure you are using it. Okay, click next. Here we go. So we need to put the password on this key. So it bring out enter your Wi-Fi password. Okay, there's an I sign here for you to, if you are typing the details, can click I sign for you to see what you are typing to make sure it's correct. So I'm going to just stay by the side now and do this, then and get back to you. So what I'm doing now is putting the details required. Okay, and once you put the password, like I said, you can select this I sign for you to double check, cross check it. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I'm just going through it again, just to make sure the information I put is correct. And if you're happy with it, okay, if you're happy with it, click OK. Okay, and do you want to connect the printer to Wi-Fi using the following information? Click yes. Okay, and now it's wait until the product Wi-Fi setting is complete. So now it's getting ready. Here we go. You can see wait until the product Wi-Fi. You can see 2% is complete, 4%. So it's progressing, 6%, 7%, 8%. You can see it's 21%. Now I can see that 5%. Here we go. So it's getting ready. 58%. I see 70% is progressing. Can see 95% is progressing, 98%, 99, 100. Okay, here we go. Preparing setting. Wait until the product Wi-Fi setting is complete. The product setting is done. The product Wi-Fi setting is done. but cannot find the product on Wi-Fi. If you enter an incorrect password, type or try again. Okay, click continue. Are you sure you want to cancel setup? Are you sure you want to cancel setup? Okay. Okay, so now we need to try this again. Okay, and make sure connect a product already on the Wi-Fi. Select connect a product already on the Wi-Fi. Let's check if we can find the product. So maybe the okay, so click add a product. Okay, we're going to do this again and make sure search a product. Okay, click continue. Make sure the product is switched on. Click yes. Now it's telling us we couldn't find the product, so we need to first of all now, okay, and use the printer to see. Okay, so use up and down arrow, go to the Wi-Fi setting, select Wi-Fi setup. Okay, Wi-Fi recommended. Okay, click OK. You can print wireless from computer and mobile device. Click proceed. Okay, setup Wi-Fi wizard. Click OK. Okay, and the fan it picked up the Wi-Fi network. Click OK. Okay, so I need to put the password using the printer. Perhaps maybe I made a mistake using my mobile device. So now I'm going to do the same. Okay, using the printer. Okay, then we'll connect this printer. Okay, so what I'm doing now is to put the password. Okay, so we need to look for the details. So what I'm doing now is putting the password. I used my mobile phone to try this before, like maybe I made a mistake. So we're going to try it again. So do this using the printer. So what I'm doing is putting the same password. Okay, now if you make any mistake, then you need to go back. So I'm looking for the same details. Okay, now we'll link. Okay, so what we are doing is looking for the details we need. Okay, and once you put the information finished, the next you need to do is select OK. Select OK, and it's setting up. Okay, so it's setting up now. Okay, so we just need to wait and see the settings. So it's what it's doing now. Okay, setup complete. Print report. Okay, so you can see the setup was telling us the Wi-Fi setup is complete, so we need to print the report. Print report. So it's printing the Wi-Fi report now, and the report will tell you that everything. Okay, here we go. So now this is the Wi-Fi report. Okay, check result and everything is passed. So this is a network is working correctly. Wi-Fi environment and wireless network, okay, is passed. So this is to show you that this printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network, and once you've done that, it will show you that it's passed. Okay, Wi-Fi network is passed. Okay, and also show you the details, Wi-Fi series, and the network strength is excellent. So this printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to go back. Okay, we need to go back to our mobile device to complete this. Okay, the next we need to do is, instead of setting up a new product, we need to connect a product already on the Wi-Fi. Select connect a product already on the Wi-Fi. Okay, so we need to wait for the product to show. So this product now is already on the Wi-Fi, so we need to wait for this product to show. Okay, here we go. You can see WF2820. Select on it. Here we go. Connection is complete. So this printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network, and click OK. Okay, and here, if you want to know if this printer, select on the ink, and we tell you WF2820 series. Printer is ready. Okay, so this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you're happy with this process, do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Okay, what we have done is I used the mobile phone. Okay, for some reason it didn't pick up, or for some reason maybe I made a mistake with the password, so it didn't connect using the mobile device. Then the next is I connect this using the printer. Okay, making sure that I put the correct password, so the printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then use the mobile phone to add the printer already, add the product already on the Wi-Fi. Instead of selecting a new product, then I select a product already on the Wi-Fi, and this is how to do this. So now we can do a lot of things with this printer. We can, okay, you can select ready print. You can do a lot of, you can print document. You can scan, capture. Okay, this is scan document. You can copy. You can do so many things. You just need to select the function you want to do. Okay, check out my next video how to scan a document with this printer. If you're happy with this process, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. This is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Epson Workforce WF2820DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like. In the sense you can print, copy, scan, and fax with this printer. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, and USB cable connection. Unfortunately, the USB cable is not included in the packaging. We got this at Vinetech store. This printer, you can print double-sided with this printer. Also, it's using real paper input. What we loaded here is A4 paper. This printer, you can connect it using your mobile. You can print using mobile printing. This is the LCD screen. What I'm going to show you is how to scan document with this printer. If you check my video, you will see how we unbox this printer. loaded the paper tray and complete alignment head, installed the ink, connected this printer to Wi-Fi network. What we want to do is to show you how to scan a document with this printer. Okay, if you are using this printer, from the screen you use the side arrow to select the function what you want to do. Okay, so from the side arrow you can select Wi-Fi setup, you can also select scan document, you can select copy, you can also select fast. Can also select this printer to quiet mode. Okay, now what I want us to do is basically to scan a document. I have a book here I want us to scan. Okay, to scan your document, to do this you need to stick the document you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner, close the scanner. Now we want to do this using a mobile device. This printer is connected to Epson Smart Panel on my mobile device. So go to Epson Smart Panel, okay, and just need to scroll sideways. This is this printer right now, WF2820 series, and it will also show you the ink levels. Okay, so you can do a lot of things. You can head clean, nozzle check, fireware update, advanced setting, print from anywhere, buy ink. Okay, so you can do a lot of stuff using the app. Okay, now what we want to do is to show you how to scan a document. We're going to scan this document, print it out double-sided. Okay, print it out colored, either print it out colored or print out black and white, and also show you how to share this document or send this document via email. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to, from the app, if you want to sign up for Ready Print ink subscription, then you select sign up for it. Okay, now scroll sideways, print photo. If you want to print photo, keep going, print document, document capture, scan document. So this is the scan we want to use. Okay, and to scan a document we need to, first of all, like I mentioned, stick the document you want to scan on top of the scanner, then go to the settings. Okay, select settings. Now select document size is A4 paper. So if you are scanning, if you want to scan a document and want to print it out using different paper size, then you need to select the particular paper size. So you can select A5, A6, A8, B5, B6, letter and business card. This, what we have now is A4 paper. Okay, selected. Now we go back. Image. Okay, the image we want to scan this document is colored. If you want to scan it black and white, okay, so this is colored. If you want to scan it black and white, then you need to select grayscale, okay, or black and white. So now we want to scan it colored. Now resolution, okay, print resolution or scan resolution, you can select low resolution is 200 dpi, standard is 300 dpi, high resolution is 600 dpi. At the moment it's in standard resolution 300 dpi. Okay, then we go back. Now automatic illustration, if you want automatic illustration, then you select on it. Image format, PDF usually for document. If you are printing photo, then you need to make sure you select JPEG. Okay, now then we'll go back. Then the next we need to do is select start. Okay, so now this document is scanning. Okay, so this document is scanning and it's very smooth. If you look on the print, I can see a white line, so the scanner is moving, and also from the mobile device is showing us scan. You can cancel it if you change your mind. So but now this document is scanning. Here we go, very quick and fast. So this is the document scan. If you want to scan another second page, turn it upside down. Okay, stick it on top of the scanner upside down, close it, click add. Okay, click add, and it will start to scan the second page. So the second page is scanning. Here we go. So you can do this, okay, depending on how many pages of document you want to do, you can do this, continuously doing it. Just need to do click adding plus. Okay. Now the next we want to do is to progress. Okay, to print this document out. Okay, so click next. Now you can first of all save this document to anywhere you want to save it. So this document now you can save it or you can print it out. Okay, so if you want to save it, you can click save. It will save on the picture. Click save, and this document now, the file is saved. Okay, go back to the app. If you go back, then you won't do more job here. So do you want to go back to the app? No. Okay, so we still want to continue. Now the next we want to do is to print this document out. Okay, select share. Okay, once you select share, it gives you option for you to print this document or send it to your email. Okay, so what I'm doing now is looking for Epson Smart Panel. Here we go. Select Epson Smart Panel, and this document now is attaching to the Epson Smart Panel. Okay, and you can see you select the document you have here is page 1 and 2. Okay, now select print. Now choose what you want to do. Once you select print, you can see the printer. Page size A4, media type is plain paper, and layout is borders. Print quality is standard. Paper source is real paper. Colored, we want to print this document colored. Okay, and want to also print it two-sided. Select from two-sided. Select long edge, two-sided. Okay, and you can also select how many copies you want to print. If you want to print this double-sided more than 2 pages, then you select. But I want to, because this is tutorial, so we want to only print out one-sided, colored, one document. Select start, and this document, okay, is going to print out now colored, double-sided. Okay, it's printing colored. There we go. You can see it's going back inside. It's automatic. Okay, so it's going back in to print the second page. Some document will ask you to turn it upside and then you scan again, but this one does it automatically. Okay, it will scan out the document, then print it out. Okay, this is why it's called automatic two-sided print. So it's doing it automatically. You don't need to open up the print again and turn it upside down for the next page to scan. Okay, so it's printing the document automatically, double-sided and colored is what is printing it out. Okay, now I can see that this is the document we printed out double-sided. Okay, so if you want to also to print out this document black, only thing you need to do is select print again. Okay, change the color to black. Okay, now I also want to print this document. Instead of printing it double-sided, I want to print it one-sided. Okay, so select cancel off double-sided, select print. So we're going to print this document now black, but one instead of double-sided, we are printing it one-sided. Here we go. You can see the first document we printed black. Okay, it's not double-sided now. We printed it one single. Okay, the second page is printing out. Here we go. You can see the second page. Okay, so we printed this document single, okay, black and double-sided color. Now the other thing I want to show you is if you also want to share this document, okay, you can go back, okay, and go back to the home page. No, yes or no, no. Now, to share this document to email, select share, okay. This document now is going to, then you select the email address of the person you want to send this document. Okay, this document is attached to my inbox. So type the email address of the person you want to send this. Okay, so I want to send it to myself. Okay, click send. Okay, click send. Send. So the document is sent to my inbox. The other thing you need to do is you just need to move away from the app, then go to your inbox and wait to see if this document will be, okay, will arrive on my inbox. Okay, so now we're just gonna wait. But this document is sent to my inbox. You just need to exercise a little patience so the document will show up. From here we go. The document is here. Click on it, download it. So this is the document inside my inbox. Here we go. This is the document we scan inside and send it to my inbox. Okay, if you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. This is how to scan your document, print it out double-sided, print it out single, or change the color. Likewise, to share this document to somebody. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Please consider to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. A lot of people want to know how to connect this printer. This is Epson Workforce WF2820DWF. This printer, you can print, copy, scan, and fax from this printer. You can connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network. This printer is dual band. You can connect it to Wi-Fi network or USB cable connection. You can also connect it to Wi-Fi direct. Basically, if you haven't got internet, you can connect it to Wi-Fi direct. Okay. This printer, you can print auto two-sided with this printer. This printer is with rear paper tray. You can also do mobile printing, and this is with LCD screen. What I want to show you is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct is what we're going to want to show you. To do this, we need to go to the printer. Okay, go to settings. Okay, from the printer setting, you can see Wi-Fi setup, scan document, just using side arrow, copy, fax, quiet mode, settings, maintenance. So just side arrows to select what you want to do. Okay, and you can see now is in Wi-Fi setup. Select Wi-Fi setup. Okay, you have options. You have Wi-Fi recommended. Use the side arrow. Select Wi-Fi direct. Okay, what you want to do is Wi-Fi direct is what you want to select. Okay, now click OK. Now it's telling us use Wi-Fi direct. Connect the printer and device directly when you do not have a Wi-Fi network. Okay, this is what you want to do to connect this device without, if you don't have Wi-Fi network. Okay, select OK. Now smart device connected with Wi-Fi will automatically be switched to Wi-Fi direct connection. Click OK. Okay, so now it's setting up. Okay, now you can see use Wi-Fi direct iOS. Okay, Android. So you select the phone you have. Okay, other OS device. So I want to use Android. Select OK. Okay, you can use the printer from Epson iPrint. Okay, so you can use the printer from Epson iPrint. Select OK. Okay, now we need to go to Play Store. Okay, Play Store, download Epson iPrint. Epson iPrint. This is Epson iPrint. Enable it, download it and enable. Okay, so click it, update, so it's updating. Now it's installed, click it, open. Okay, now we have update the following. Please confirm the software licensing. Click OK. Okay, click agree. Okay, you need to share your smartphone Bluetooth information to set up the product. Click OK. Okay, now we need to allow iPrint to find. Click allow. So now, okay, so we have previous printer here, so we need to select. So we need to now is going to look for available printer. You need to share your smart device. Click next. Okay, so you can see it's use app. Allow Epson iPrint to access device location while using this app. Okay, so now you can select. Okay, you can see the device setup, Wi-Fi direct setup. Select Wi-Fi direct. Okay, now Wi-Fi directly connect to your printer using Wi-Fi direct. Printer with LCD screen or with printer without LCD screen. This printer is with LCD screen. Select with LCD screen. Okay, open Wi-Fi settings. Okay, Wi-Fi direct. Go to the settings, Wi-Fi setup. Select Wi-Fi direct. Then the menu name varies. Then follow the instruction on the printer. So go to the setup. Select OK. Now proceed to Wi-Fi direct. Click OK. Proceed to connect. Click OK. Click OK. Okay. Now Android. Click OK. Okay. So now open So now here we go. You can see direct Epson Wi-Fi. This is Epson Wi-Fi direct. So you open up the Wi-Fi direct. Select Wi-Fi direct. Here we go. Okay, so then direct Epson. So you need to select Wi-Fi direct password. So we need to get the Wi-Fi direct password. So to get the Wi-Fi direct password, what you need to do is you need to go to the settings of your printer. Okay, go to the settings, use the side arrow, go to the settings, select OK. Once you select OK to the setting, then you have the next you will see supply status. Then scroll down. Okay, keep going. You can see network settings. Okay, select network settings. So from supply status, you can see maintenance, supply status, maintenance, printer setup. Go to network settings, select OK. Okay, now the next you need to do, you can see printer status. Select, you can see Wi-Fi setup, connection check, printer status sheet, Wi-Fi setup. So you need to go to print status. You can see print status sheet. Okay, once you select print status, it will send you print network status sheet. Okay, so select on it, print network status sheet, select yes, and it's going to print network status sheet. Now with this network status sheet, we'll be able to see the information for the Wi-Fi direct. Okay, so this network status sheet is what is printing out. Here we go. So this is the network status sheet. Okay, it's telling us about information. Okay, wireless is off, communication and everything. Okay, Now what we are looking for is Wi-Fi direct. Operation mode is on, so you can see the Wi-Fi direct password is here. Okay, and this is the SIID direct Epson. Okay, so this is the password and channel. So what we need to do now is we need to go to our mobile device. Okay, once this is printed out, okay, so this is the information we printed. Okay, and it's done. Now what we need to do is we need to go to now use our mobile device. Okay, you can see Wi-Fi direct setup, printer with LCD screen. Click select. Okay, click it open. Okay, and now we are going to, here we go, this is the Epson Wi-Fi direct. Select on it. Okay, now we need to wait when it's ready to put the password. Okay, so now we need to put the password. Okay, so the password, we find the password from here. You can see Wi-Fi direct and this on. The password is this figure. We need to put the password. Okay, okay, you need to use iSign to check if the information you put is correct. So this is how to do this. Just print this from network status sheet. Okay, okay, and click connect. Okay, it's connecting, checking the quality of internet. Here we go. Connected without internet. You can see, so now it's connected. It's telling us internet may be available. If you want to connect to this network without internet access, you can connect only this time, or you can set up your phone always connect to it even if internet is not available. So you can select always connect. Okay, you can see connected without internet. So this is Wi-Fi direct, is connected without internet now. Okay, so the next we need to do is can go back. Okay, so go back to, can see use Epson Smart Panel, or you can use Epson iPrint. So you can decide how you want to place. You can see the Wi-Fi. So you can use Epson Smart Panel, or then you go back to Epson Smart Panel. Here we go. Select on it, and connection is complete. WF2820 series. Click OK. Okay, now select connection to this server file. Make sure your smartphone connected to the make sure your smartphone and tablet can be connected to the internet. Click OK. Okay, so here we go. The printer is here. You can see this printer. Okay, so this is how to connect this printer using Epson Wi-Fi direct. So without internet. So now you can print document, you can scan documents, do so many things, okay, with this printer, and it's connected using Wi-Fi direct. Okay, thank you very much. This is how to do this. You just need to print network status from the printer. Okay, then once you print network status, then the next is use the password, Wi-Fi direct password. Then you put the Wi-Fi direct password. This is how to do this. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. This is how to connect to this printer Wi-Fi direct without network. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.